Hello my dear friends, today we're going to talk about plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is inflammation of the plantar fascia. What's the plantar fascia? So this is the foot, and foot has four arches: medial arch, lateral arch, front transverse and back transverse. When the arch is like this, so the breech work as an absorptive forces and therefore does not allow those forces being transmitted higher up in the knee, in the hip, low back and so on and so forth. So plantar fascia, it's actually connective tissue that connects the back heel and the toes here. So it's like a bowstrings connecting right here. So it works like a special spring when those arches are moving. So often when arches are collapsing, plantar fascia experiencing continuous stretch and tension. That causes inflammation, interference in the function of the foot, knee, hip, low back, and so on up there in the kinetic chain. So this way it causes, number one, tremendous pain and discomfort in the feet and the heel specifically, and also other issues. So how is it treated? Number one, I suggest you to go see a chiropractor, obviously, and they would do full examination of your kinetic chain, so all the spine, hips, pelvis, knees and ankle, and start being adjusted. And if you need orthotics, they will prescribe orthotics. So this is a specific device that supporting your arches, allowing your foot to be relaxed, and therefore plantar fascia started healing. So if you have any challenges with your feet, give us a call or any chiropractic office. I'm sure there are many qualified chiropractors who can help you, and we would like to help as well. So our number is 416-642-2602, or visit our website at allhealthykids.org. God bless and talk to you later.